I gotta tell you a funny story about Heavy, my boy Heavy. So I hate everybody, but I won't let you know it. Like, I'll be really pissed or not having a good time. You'll never be able to tell. Heavy, exact opposite. Something's wrong, you know about it immediately. It's why I love bringing him places, right? So me and him, we go to the Justin Bieber concert. We get very up. We're like, let's go see the Biebs. No, he puts on a great show. He really does. He puts on a sick show. You should go see him. Don't clap. This is my time. But seriously, you should go see him. He does put on a great show, okay? So me and him were really up. We're very late. We're like an hour late to the concert. And we have front row. We have like seats over here, okay? We're late. We get there. There are these two little girls. They're 8 years old tops. In our seats, having the time of their lives. Like, you couldn't tell these girls nothing. Like, they were having just the sweetest, best time ever. So I go to Heavy and I'm like, listen, you're 30, I'm 22. I'm like, let's give these kids their seats, let them have a nice, fun time, and we'll just hang in the back. And Heavy goes, absolutely not. And I swear to God, he goes up to these two little kids and he goes, excuse me, little princesses. Are these your seats? And they go, no, mister. And he goes, then get the out. One time. And then, like, without skipping a beat, he's like, this is gonna be sick. We'll have so much fun. I don't make any noise when I have sex. Zero. Gentlemen. Nothing. Please and thank you the whole way through. I don't even make noise when I come. When I come, I'm just kind of like... Yeah, like I just had an epiphany or something. Like, oh, my keys, they're my jeans. Like, that's how I come. Don't forget to turn the oven off. That's how I literally come. If I'm drunk, I'll yell out one thing when I come. I'll tell you what it is. Okay? There's one thing I'll yell out when I'm drunk when I come. This is the one thing. Okay? I don't know if any of you are familiar with the film 101 Dalmatians. There is a scene in 101 Dalmatians when Jeff Daniels' puppy gives birth, okay? And this lady taking care of the puppies, she's like, there's 14 puppies. One of them died. There's supposed to be 15, but there's 14. And Jeff Daniels, being the goddamn genius of an actor that he is, out of the corner of his eye notices the 15th puppy that they thought was dead is starting to wiggle, so it's alive. And he looks at the lady and he goes, no, not 14. 15! 15 puppies! So I yell that when I come now, which is a huge step up from sorry. Thanks.